Hi everyone, today we'll show you how to make a custom boat switch panel like a pro without CNC or laser engraving using our 22mm RGB push buttons. This is the button as delivered, fully sealed and ready to use. Available in latching or momentary versions depending on your wiring needs. Inside the bag you'll find 180 interchangeable symbols, the switch body, a locking nut, a sealing gasket, and a transparent cap. These 180 symbols include both text and icons. We designed new marine-specific icons no one offered for the last 15 years, including sailboat functions, electric outboards, transom lifts, dinghies, and underwater lights. Of course, all standard engine icons are also included. The switch can control a single light or be part of a complete dashboard. It all depends on your boat's size and layout. The included manual shows two different wiring options: latching or momentary. All documentation and diagrams are available online too. The button is IP67 waterproof, front and rear, perfect for marine use, exposed cockpits, or even interiors. The wiring is simple. Blue controls the blue LED, red for the red LED, green for the green LED, white is the common ground, and the two black wires are the load terminals. They can handle up to 20 amps at 12 volts, powerful enough to drive bilge pumps directly without needing a separate relay. Super convenient. Now we have the nut and the gasket. Even though the switch is fully waterproof, we still recommend using the gasket to prevent humidity from getting behind your panel. This is the transparent cap where you insert the chosen symbol. Once sealed, don't try to change it, or you'll lose waterproofness. Let's pick one. For this video, I'll go with our little octopus icon, used here for underwater lights. The 22mm size makes all symbols easy to read and reach, even in rough navigation. Press the cap in firmly. Make sure it's flat. If not, push again until it clicks. I'll add the gasket now so I don't forget later. Now insert the button through the panel. Align it straight. Tighten the nut on the back. Again, no need to over-tighten, just enough to lock it in place. Here's the LED preview. Fully addressable, red, blue, and green, all in one button. However, using all three LED colors at once is not recommended. It becomes hard to read in bright daylight or during night navigation. Choose one or two colors maximum depending on your use case. Let's repeat with another symbol, this time a fish icon for the live well. Same process. Insert symbol, cap, mount. Repeat as many times as needed for your panel setup. It works with any panel material. Just drill a clean 22mm hole. Here's the back of the panel with 5 buttons already wired up. Simple and clean, and here's the result. Neat, professional, no CNC, no laser needed. Now it's your turn. Make your own custom boat panel. Baywatt.com.